Installing the backup camera with moving guidelines. Installing the camera. Step 1. Remove the screws that hold the license plate to the vehicle and remove the license plate. Step 2. Find an opening or drill a small hole to feed the camera cable into the vehicle. Step 3. Position the camera mounting bracket behind the license plate. Insert the 2 screws that hold the camera and license plate in place. Step 4. The camera angle should be mounted at 30 to 40 degrees downward for dynamic guidelines to perform correctly. Route the camera's power wires to the vehicle's reverse lamp wires and connect them. A multimeter may be required to determine correct polarity. Step 5. Connect to the monitor. Use harness and RCA cable to connect the camera to your monitor with a standard video input. Please note, some vehicles' reverse lamp wires are now variable voltage wires and may cause a fuzzy or distorted image. If you experience this, please use a relay to power your camera as shown in the instructions. For more information, please visit EchoMaster.com.